habakren komu kongsan hak SHG mela ha yam kwan u menteri rangba ka jala u konrad ke sangma menta kesngi ulaong bak sarkar menta kadang bu thong ban kyntiew ke SHG haman la ke C&RD Block bat ki shnong bat nakalian ga sarkar kala pen kre da ki klur ka pisa banwan ra ki jinkla bat ki jinkashan ya ki self help group haman la ki shnong habaya nujor bat kini ki laisnem la sakhi bada ki phosha ki self help group ki la keu ha ka jilla bada ki shnong ba pher bat ru ki la yo jingrap na ka sarkar ngidan kam banwan ra ay ka jinkla bat jinkashan nadu tan rai da ka bapoi shaman la ki tliu yeng bat deileng ba ka jingthaw ya ki self help group babaro ki jing angnot jong ka sarkar ban kyntiew ya ki longkime haman la ki shnong kala urlong bat haba yunu jor tang ha sning nak chispa khnai photli ki knhon manta kila poi shadu 6000 tali ong ukonrat sangma da ka ba benram bana kaliang ka sarkar ka khmi lenti ba hakini ki snem banwan kindang bon shushu ki knhon ki ban panrung ka tengel de na ka banta ban yo jing mentoy na ka sarkar halo ki scheme ba pher ka bolong ru kum ka jing play lat ya ki long ki me ban kieu ha ki ba bon ki liang yakani ke self help group mila lapanlong high union christian college yam kwan bat laiwan man shimbanta de ki babon tli ki self help group na sning C&RD block hakani ke sngi laidon langru dr wr khaluki mp ka raja sabha kum usambut kongsan ki we pat ki he sarkar balaidon lang ki kintup yo ba anda sakhet bha lamare mentri ka transport ka jilla ubadi u mla ka mawhati uba jason saukme maulong mla ka sning ikong Magdalene Saukme Maulong, MDC ko umsning, kong RM Kurba, Deputy Commissioner ka Riboy District, Raja Brahma, BDO ko umsning C&RD Block, bat ki ki officer, bat ki ripokman. Hagate gesngi la samru ye ke kusnam sha ki self help group ba pher bat ki VO kumjo ru ka kusnam ba kerpang bandang kyntiew shushu ye ki self help group haman le ki shnong ban kyntiew ye ka yo ka kon dalot shibon ki kam ba kum ki long ki me lamba ki knhon ki le tray ha ki shnong ki thao lapan shongkun shushu hagate gesngi lamba ka jirwa ba ka jisha tan rai na ki samla pule jonga union christian college ke balapan inam ye ga jisha tan rai jong ga jai ben re bo pher ka than chate lamingi harangkat ki dukan bat ki jingpen inam ki tiar bo pher blashna bat pen I da ki self help group na ki shnong bo pher
I'd like to thank UCC for allowing the MDMA and the NRLM to host this particular program here, and would like to also thank the students of UCC for the wonderful cultural presentation of the entire Northeast that was shown today. Having said that, I only have 3 points that I would like to make. The first point is regarding the importance of the self-help groups. When we came into the government, we were very clear in our mindset and in our goal that we need to impact and we need to perfect and we need to support the grassroots system. And we strongly felt that the only way to do that was to create an institution at the grassroots level, where we will be able to reach out to every household in the state. And then we realized that there were schemes of Government of India and the state schemes, and we could do this particular objective or achieve this objective by forming self-help groups. Self-help groups are not just livelihood programs for the women group that are being formed, but they are institutional systems and networks. Today, we have lakhs of members from different households who are part of the NRLM movement and who are part of the self-help movement. And tomorrow, the same institutional setup can then be used for multiple government programs. And that is the reason why we have focused on the self-help group movement. I would like to tell you that the self-help group movement has really been one of the key successes of this government. I repeat, this has been one of the key success programs and successes of this particular government. From a mere 6,000 groups, we are today at 36,000 groups. We, from a mere 200 village organizations when we started, we are today at 2,500 village organizations. From a mere 10 crores which was given to different community investment funds, we have reached 110 crores, from 10 crores to 110 crores as we speak. In Unsling alone, we had only 24 lakhs that have been given to self-help groups. From 24 lakhs in the last 3 years, we have come to almost 5 crores. In terms of the self-help groups that have been formed within the Unsling block, from 190 groups, today we have 1,075 groups in Unsling. From a mere 2 crores of loans that were given to different self-help groups, today we have distributed 90 crores of loans to different self-help groups. From a mere 319 groups who had got loan, today more than 8,730 groups have received loan. This kind of success that they've achieved in the self-help group movement, where more than 3.5 lakh women today are getting benefits because of the schemes that they're doing, the programs they're implementing, is really something that we should all be thankful to the team and the organizers who have worked day and night to achieve this target. And our target will be that there should be one member from every family who should be part of the self-help group. We expect to touch 42,000 self-help groups in the next 1 year. From, as I said, from a year, 6,000 groups will be took over. So therefore, the self-help group movement has come a long, long way. Today, under Unsling block, we will be distributing 1 crore and 6,000 rupees to different groups. About 181 self-help groups will receive 1 crore from the NRLM project. Under the Unsling block, 78 lakhs will be distributed to 135 self-help groups just today itself, which means close to about 2 crores is going to be distributed to more than 300 groups, self-help groups that have been formed in the last few months. At the same time, my third point is regarding the focus program. Now, this focus program also is a program which focuses on the grassroots level. There are more than 4.5 lakh families that depend on agriculture in our state. There is no particular scheme of the state government that gives direct benefit and help to these farmers. COVID was a very difficult time for the farmers and for everybody. And therefore the government felt that we need to give some financial support to different farmers. And hence we started this program called Focus. The objective of this program is to form producer groups. Give each group based on the members. So if you have 10 members, 5,000 rupees per group means 50,000 rupees to be given to the group. If you have 20 members, then 1 lakh rupees will be given to the group. So like that, we plan to touch 4.5 lakh families who are dependent on agriculture. And the budget for this is about 200 crores. And we strongly feel that this is a very, very small amount to be given to the marginalized and the farmers and all the producer groups who are facing great difficulty. We have already touched more than 3,000-4,000 groups have benefited from this. I've been having this program throughout the state, and today, while we do this SHG data, we will also be distributing the checks for the focus program. And the idea is very simple. Once this money is given to these groups, sometimes the farmers don't even have enough money to buy seeds on time. Sometimes they don't even have enough money to buy a plastic pipe, or I mean a rubber pipe, or they don't even have enough money to transport their product from their farms to the market. This seed money or this small working capital, which will be in the group's account, can then be used to buy the seeds at the right time, or the tarpaulin to cover their produce, or to be able to make a small shed to store their produce, or even use this money to transport their products from their farms to their markets. So this is what this program is. We hope to cover all the 4.5 lakh families which are dependent on agriculture through this focus program. And today, under the ïaki block, we will be distributing 32 lakhs to 649 farmer families, about 40 groups. And in ïaki block, under ïaki block, we will be distributing 16.5 lakhs to 330 farmer families, close to 16 farmer producer groups will be benefited today. So friends, this is what this whole program is.
Hamaरा hagini kayo kaya hagini rai kaya na kai ham shnong alayo berada di bulan ini SHG dulu. Ayo berinteraksi tapi, ayo berinteraksi tapi. Kalau kita ini kita sudah apa, nggak ini bilang kita bulan ini, kita grup SHG yang kau bilang, nggak ini kita tetap berkawal. Di dapat kita yang lagi berkecil lagi. Kecil kalau bah lagi kesan lagi. Dia jadi grup di bawah nama pertama macam hamsa sangat hambar tiga. Maka juga akan kembali ke sini. Pada kalau begitu. Jika lepas kami keseluruhan grup dengan view kepada narasi yang berjalan sorkar, sebelumnya dapat mesti dengan penilaian berkoordinasi dengan pada training dan training ini. Penilaian ini example, penilaian nomor penilaian dia nomor kontrol melihat protection. Lagi kita bilang itu pemikiran lekat, timbul bermasalah. Hati lo yang berkuat di menteri, masuk dalam keseluruhan grup ada kata interaction, ada kata exposure. Kata tadi, itu setelah saya harus bilang penting dalam menteri. Tidak ada grup, dia interaksi dengan kiwan yang ada lebih, apa ada yang berkiwan itu lebih. Kiwan yang ada, tidak ini pasal koordinasi berada. Ilalang nampak sekiran ini kebetulan berdiri. Dia alam berkata berseluruh, akan sempat masuk di bawah bersama pilihan bilang dia cakap. Kalau tak itu kebetulan ini selalu keluar dulu. Yang community keluar dulu yang sudah tahu berapa. Ini kita hidup sama lagi bagi hati ini. Senang pilihan. Orangnya kyntiew hambar pilihan lagi train dan berkata. Tahu lebih kuat, lebih kali sedang berdepan, ada sebelah ini. Kalau lagi kita boleh, kita terus tahu di sesuatu. Kita boleh berbaik untuk kali lagi kayu bersama kita berhati berbaik. Terus sesuatu untuk kali lagi. Dia benar kata musim Malaysia, musim Malaysia. Nama orang kita itu kita boleh berbaik sesuatu untuk kita.